Tajikistan took a significant step in modernizing its defense capabilities by publicly unveiling its newly acquired HQ-17AE short-range surface-to-air missile (SAM) system. This display occurred during the military parade celebrating the 32nd anniversary of the country's armed forces. The parade featured 4 combat vehicles and 2 transporter-loader vehicles, underscoring Tajikistan's increasing focus on bolstering its air defense infrastructure and its growing military collaboration with China. The HQ-17AE missile system, developed by China Aerospace Science and Industry Corporation (CASIC), is an advanced weapon designed for all-weather operations. It is capable of intercepting a variety of aerial targets, including low and medium-altitude aircraft, helicopters, and drones. As an export version of the HQ-17A system, which itself is based on Russia's Tor-SAM, the HQ-17AE brings cutting-edge technology to Tajikistan's military. The system is particularly designed to counter short-range air defense (SHORAD) threats, including precision-guided munitions, cruise missiles, and even stealth aircraft. This acquisition is more than just a display of new military hardware. It is a testament to the deepening ties between Tajikistan and China, as both countries work together to strengthen regional security. The HQ-17AE joins a growing number of Chinese-made defense systems already integrated into Tajikistan's military, contributing to the country's evolving defense strategy. By adopting this advanced air defense system, Tajikistan not only enhances its deterrence capabilities but also signals a shift toward Chinese defense technology. The HQ-17 series, including its variants like the HQ-17A and FM-2000, has already been exported to several countries, including Saudi Arabia and Serbia. Tajikistan's acquisition further demonstrates China's expanding influence in the global defense market. With neighboring Uzbekistan also investing in Chinese air defense systems, Tajikistan's move reflects a broader regional trend toward bolstering air defense systems with foreign-made technology. This acquisition is a critical part of Tajikistan's long-term goal to modernize its military forces, and the HQ-17AE is expected to play a key role in enhancing the country's air defense capabilities, contributing to regional stability and security.